babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video I'm going to show you how to effectively clean makeup brushes in like 5 minutes or less. Depends on how many brushes you have though. So the first cleaner that I have right here is the Cinema Secrets. This I purchased on Amazon for around $25. This is 8 fluid ounces. I'll have it linked below, and there's other sizes of course that you can purchase. And then the second option, I'm going to show you how to make your own. And this is using household products, and you may like it better, and it's cost effective, and it cleans my brushes just as good. So keep watching and let's get to it. So here are the measuring spoons I'm going to be using to measure out the ingredients to make my own makeup solution cleaner. I'm going to be using some almond oil. This is white vinegar right here, Dawn soap, and this is just a cup of water. And then also, I showed you this earlier, this is the Cinema Secrets makeup cleaner that's already ready to go. So I'll give you two different options and you can see which one that you like to use. This is the bowl right here that came with the cleaning set, and this is where you put your solution in. This right here is the actual tool that you use to clean the brush and dry it. These are the adjustable makeup brush holders, and these are just the attachments right here that you see that you can put inside of here to attach the actual holder. Here are my dirty brushes. Come on, it's time for these to be cleaned. And right here is just like a, I guess like a drying stand in a way, but you really dry the brush as soon as you use the tool. So I mean, you can still put your brush on there, so I'll show you how to do it. So here I'm just making my own homemade cleaning solution, and I'm going to have all of the products and the measurements listed below as well, so just check that out in the description box. I have my first brush, and I'm going to just find the right attachment to make sure that it's very, very tight, because you do not want it to be loose when you put it inside the cleaning tool, just because the brush won't get as clean, or it may take longer because it won't spin as fast. So here I'm just making sure that everything is tight, and I'm going to show you how I clean it. And here I'm just letting it spin for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then when I raise it up, I'm going to just make sure that it's dry. And if it's not as dry, sometimes I let it dry a little bit longer. So I'll let it dry for another 30 to 40 seconds. So when taking the brush out of the tool, and I'm trying to take the other little smaller attachment out, sometimes it's a little difficult, but you just have to work with it and it'll come out. And here I'm just going to repeat the process that I did for the first brush, and it's really easy and simple, so continue watching. Here is the other option using the Cinema Secrets cleaner. And as you can see, it's easy, just as easy as making really your own homemade. It's just that this option is a little bit more pricey, but it works great. So it just depends on which solution you like better. I like making my own just because I have more of it, and of course it's way cheaper. But this Cinema Secrets cleaner is just as effective and it's great. So I like both. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.